Abusia memo kwaba ede aba GH report so munim se de ye no da bia ensema wodo a etwagu ewo internet ne so de ekoso ewo Asante Mampong ahini ehu sensem no mebomoden edomosuko ede emu nsem no ebesomo already makacho say on this particular platform ne de eye asumdwe nkoten na yepe asumdwe no na ye hwese ensem wodo bia sebe efe ba na eboba no yebetimi ama yetiefo nyina etimi atibie na omonso enam so akere madwene e dia fa ho now abusia obi beka se adade na sasie meba be kire mu na yenim se Asante Mampong sebe ahini ho sensem de kasese no enka bibibia akwakwada sanse yenya ye hene aye Nana Leslie Nkansa osai bonsu asese no ono ena eba behwe na nana chaw no watietie mu nana tuo no wabekura mu na watoa so ama empuntu etimi akoso ewo Asante Mampong na yenim se ebra nana HEMAA nana ejakuma difie ebie nomination eto ho no yenya enipa dodo na ma omo file ye omo wura mu edo omo dwatoa ekoye ema ekowiase no Nana Leslie has been the chosen one nana ejakuma difie enam no so etimi ayi no amazeze Asante Mampong kese krum ha de eligi aba obibia kese omanana akwa aba now ensemne koba asa no yenim se beginning no ekotwae ewo opem so akache ema yenya group bia na omofre omo se supporters of the kingmakers achese na omo nyina chese enima bia na kingmakers na chese enhye bia ntimi antwa yenti no enka ebeya yenhye dwumadie ni nyina asefofro na yempe ohempon obetimi adi kuro no so ensemitiatie mu no ekoba se opemso na asem na ekodi ne ho a nana so etimi ejina so efre nananom se sebe Nana Leslie yeyi no se obi wo bibi tia nana omra na omeka nananom koye sebe obi bia no etimi eka bibia na sebe amane ne amame kwa so no etimi esi Nana Leslie ho kwan se ontimi emeye ohene ewo Asante Mampong enim se ne de eka bibia ato atwa abusia enche na mensaka flyer ya eda oscreen so a kire se demonstration chenchenche bi eba bekoso ewo Asante Mampong na metiam se yenye ye hene Nana Leslie aba ena no ye onveli no ama Asante Mampong na nanom nyina tim ewramu ewo the Silver Stool House Mampong yifi ama nanom edensa koto nsayam achia na na akwaba enti demonstration de free hefa na abusia ohwa on your screens no we fly no so mo say the greatest demo of Mampong the greatest demo na say demonstration ABC Mampong da what I say schools etwa Mampong we share be the universities be the training colleges be the senior high schools and the basic schools now Mampong say ebi a demonstration crowd da per this fly na say sa omo demonstration ma yiri nyina no sebe ye de to ensene ya ni a de eba bekoso no ebi nsi Mampong da mi winam se ene demonstration no be ya den because utmi emeki a flyer na o title say the greatest the greatest demo of Mampong dia na say now oba say omo say against MAMPONGHENE's disrespectful behavior am say assembly demonstration yetima title say edin enwanwa ebisi da na yanse nya obi anya demonstration na say ntia na say ya HEMAA prekope na jakuma difie na this flyer no fly away say ye kwa demonstration no e de etia no and I'm like what is happening now oba say for Mampong and their chiefs date no or say Monday 22nd December 2025 and at that particular demonstration American one na say this demo no ebetimi akoso Monday 22nd na chese Monday ye di animu ya and also say demonstration no etimi eba so na se ye fly away dia na ebisa say na ne demo yi ekoso we reverend na or say assembly point old market na say Diffie Square Nana HEMAA and the square hono no say dwumadie no ebetimi atodwa Asante Mampong time no 7 a.m. prompt enti ebusia ebra mesaka this flyer we bi na me say ene ma me mobo me ho ne duru ho a makohwe de besie etimi de ebusua me wa twenye mu ehwe se demonstration no whether say ebekoso anase enkoso me twen ene yenim say for any demonstration say betimi are successful na ebeye peaceful a enipa omo play integral role no the police. You can't organize a demonstration and say you are going on your own without say police right second nekoye say one koje permit police for an guarantee and I say an guarantee that mission that permission say koya when you do it when you stage that demonstration opposite for ebe you preach acho edwako fa emrakwa so entino you need to seek the permission from the police. Eti mekwe say mensabeka police copy of demonstration na eba so ntebusia ene me watwenye mu a me wa na social media yi so mensaka a copy of police release bia say demonstration na the purported demonstration ense ke baso Monday no ya cancel no. I'm say wow demonstration demonstration ediatia Asante Mampong HEMAA now ya chere venue at the time ashaso yes say demonstration no demonstration bi si Mampong hada afei ade ka ho say emadwumade ne yes successful for police warrant no eno so baya yes ya cancel no anya adwuma now yenwemu na yentie police communicate babonten na yenhwese de ensemisity a no nam so ama the ganganto demonstration say ke to Monday ewo Mampong ha no ye ediatia anase sebe ndipa bi ediatia na HEMAA amaso no now ohwe se de university a caption no anase address no and I say district headquarters Ghana Police Service Mampong Ashanti 19th December 2025 which is 19th enra this communique no eba here now over left hand side now almost say in case of reply the number and dates of this letter should be quoted blah 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 your caption was saying notification of intended peaceful demonstration work against Mampong HEMAA caption police for edby no was say notification of intended peaceful demonstration work against Mampong HEMAA. Now yenko details of the letter. 1 was your letter dated 16th December 2025 indicating your intention to embark on a peaceful demonstration on 22nd December 2025 refers it na say only akro mo twa sakrata yi edekoma apolice for say letter na echo on the 16th and a police so reply mo enra and ye kira mo say enema enyankoso na tie o say based on deliberation with MUSEC the upcoming coronation of Mamponghene and heavy duty schedule on police due to Christmas festive we suggest the intended peaceful demonstration be suspended until further notice. Enti krata police for everybody more say demonstration ain't me Emerson. The reason in and say 1 your festive season mu and the rules are accident some so I say police actually direct cars na say for police be very busy pa enti due to that and afei yenim say ye hwese ye besore the new king aye nana Leslie besore ni in na wetima ide ahye adwuma sa na say obekọ yewura ho eye opemso na me be odin eka asem obekọ no akọse bibi aje ache na afi na agina tum sesese no omedi Mampong so tisa nyama ni nyina no egu akwan mu a aposifo hwe no maye totoye eti se omo hwe festive season eye Xmas na omo de nana enso coronation eka ho a eba police na ebe tight eti police say due to these two factors in no enya de say ombetimi grant the permission they go ahead say that ganganto demonstration no emraso eti enoso enono now yento aso eno point 2 point 3 say it has become necessary to summon you to MUSEC for further deliberation eti ehun be hia say omo a mo twa krata koma police for say omo pese omo ye peaceful demonstration no ye do mo koma empanifo bi no mo no mo tena se na afa mo engage omo no mo how best omo betimi asolve omo issue no edi ama wo mo. Now point 5 omo say you are to comply and reply with this directive within 48 hours. It's a letter by Enra, and they have 48 hours to reply. It is said that we will call unko abansa account. What check krata command say opposite and as a police for say you want to embark on a demonstration and a police for amount guidelines say due to 1 or 2 reasons you know yentimi en guarantee say mon konkoye na emom no ya refer mu e dia ma appropriate quarters na mo na mo atenase na mo deliberate on how best and best solve it mo issue no without say mo be demonstration no. Now 5 I say last point I say 6 no best regards eti krata na ba afei ye ba behwe why na nsa sha ase why na ye man copy why na letter way and I said this particular letter no police for no address it to now ye hwe police for no side Andrews Pate Zeke wono na ye police ni sahena or ye superintendent of police district commander Mampong ono na nsa ehya ase e wo hanom then to Nana Champong organizer Mampong Benim nam say Nana Champong na just say say Nana Champong mene no edi nkomoya Nana Champong ena kopo no the divisional commander Ghana Police Service Mampong divisional eti abusua krata ni nsem nyina no ena mabɔ ne tofa edi amanti se uhu sa flyer na edel screen so se demonstration bi eba because Monday aw Mampong ha edetia ye nyina ya hima na eja kuma difie dia abusua according to report na me seka no apolice for entimi ama permit no ama demonstration no entimi ama so na emom no omo atro mo say due to festive season any afei the coronation of Nana Leslie Nintino enya de sese adwumadie no ebetimi abaso afei posi adwumako no a refer omo lead this demo say omo pese omo no omo etrans no omo refer omo to appropriate quarters na afei no deliberations bi eso mutimi ye ema sabe abufuo ene akoma bia etoye no omo hwe no mutimi ayi sa ne mane nyantia busua latest a etodwa ewo Asante Mampong HEMAA ehun sensem a yenim se kesi Nana Leslie awie de ka bibia to atwa no demonstration na esen ke baso no enya amaso mini e de kobi ana obitimi afrem kobi finance GH report abusua se wo hiame for interview for advertisements for anything at all bibia ese opese eba social media no so bia no opese o contact me a obetimi apeke me numbers no na o contact me zero politicians ni nyina no me ho edema obibia menya NDP na menya NDC ni meni we yache me whenever you give me a call I'm ready to answer. It's 0549885339 0549885339 obetimi apeke numbers no na one me edi nkomo dia ese etimi eye ede bro ema sabe obibia etimi koye bia no we are ever ready to support makramu.